welcome to our miniature kitchen. So this is my first miniature kitchen, and here I have our sink, pantry, and then here are some of our plates and glasses, miniature spoon, fork, all of that. There's our sink. And this sink is actually a working sink, so I'll show you in a little bit that it works. Okay, and here's our little basket, of course. Ta-da! And I'm gonna show you our pan. There's our pan, cooking pan, pot, or if you call it pot, cooking pot. And then we have charcoal in here. Yep, and we have wood in the other one, so you can use that. And there, and of course we have our kitchen utensils. We have oil, soy sauce, vinegar. We have salt and pepper. We have our little hat over there. And yeah, so that's my miniature kitchen over there. It's a little bit. Next video would be cooking. So I'm gonna cook on with the real charcoal and wood, of course. Okay, so there you go.